Are there strange odors coming from your washing machine? Does the drum have an unpleasant smell? First, check whether the odor seems to be coming from the drum. If this is the case, you should run the tub clean function. First, remove any clothing or items that are in the washing machine drum and close the door. Next, open the dispenser drawer and add anti-limescale powder to the manual wash compartment. If you are using tablets, place them directly into the drum. Close the dispenser drawer and turn the power on. Then, select Tub Clean Cycle and press the Start/Pause button to begin. After the tub clean cycle has ended, use a soft cloth to wipe the door seal and door to remove any moisture. Then open the washing machine door and leave it open to allow drum to dry out. Make sure the inside is completely dry before you use it again. Moisture left behind may cause a bad odor or mildew to form. If the odor does not disappear, run the tub clean function once a week for 3 weeks. You should regularly run the tub clean function at least once a month to prevent odors. Odors due to water backflow from the drain hose. Check whether the drain hose is kinked or blocked. If your water flow's obstructed, backflow may occur. This may lead to odors in your washing machine. Simply straighten or repair the water drain hose. Odors due to detergent buildup in the detergent and softener dispenser. If you suspect the odor is coming from the detergent and softener dispenser, remove and clean the dispenser drawer. After you remove the dispenser drawer, clean the top and bottom of the dispenser's opening. Then, clean the dispenser drawer. For a step-by-step guide, check out our video on how to clean the dispenser drawer. You should clean the dispenser drawer once or twice a month to prevent buildup. Thank you for using LG washing machines.